Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share very beautiful videos, very charming designs. Hey, love you all. You love us so beautiful, so elegant, so gorgeous, just looking like fantastic videos. And this video it's all about the Decortalk ideas. 20 videos of according decorations related our gardens decorations. Always be sharing most elegant, most beautiful designs. You're looking very beautiful and some things for always be maybe you know that for like home gardens, so entry back sides, one side's left side. Otherwise you looking you can thought for gardens according any flowers, according to any different types of grass and more home decorations related. So it's amazing and different types of guides for different bottoms designs always be sharing with you, and home growns like so blooming and more garden path designs and one way types of gardens are dream visit house and more graceful designs. You looking more beautiful things and entrance are makeover designs like more different types of colors combinations and color scheme always be it's a feet like more attractive designs of peaceful and spiritual designs inspirations ideas. You looking very beautiful things like decorative unlimited videos guidance to fronts gardens, and you looking attractive and more beautiful things, more attractive designs. Hope so I really share with newly videos in a newly designs and more beautiful things. Are you like these stunning videos and gleaming rose seeds of for different white, black, green and yellows, red flowers and Vimical's gardens to dreaming bags to best gardens layout ideas for even types of ideas of UK's are most trending and spiritual for unlimited videos are shared with you, and different eye-catching videos are most helpful for the ideas. Hope so I really share with you. Everybody you like more beautiful things in a beautiful videos and different attractive and stunning designs for gardens are more stunning and beautiful things. You're looking stunning and elegant authentical designs